How's it going, everyone? A little different today. I'm driving. Last night I was doing some classes about the bees, and they had said that their shipment came in, and being I was doing good with the classes and I got my test right and everything, it was just a little whatever test, but did good anyways. He said he was happy. Out of all the other people, he said I can come up. So I'm going up there today to check it all out. And I also he had a couple extra nucs, so I talked him into giving me a little bit of a deal, and I bought another one. So exciting. The boys were pretty mad at me because I wouldn't let them go with. I figured in case the bees got out or something, that probably wouldn't be so good. So I made them stay home. I just can't believe we're finally getting bees. Been a long time. I've been watching and studying and reading, and now it's finally happening. It's just crazy. With all this other stuff going on in the world right now, this is just nuts that I'm still able to follow through and get this, and our plans are still on track. It's just crazy to me. So I really think with getting these bees and being I'm getting another nuke, I think I'm gonna start a petting zoo. What do you think? I think that'd be a good idea. Have a bunch of kids come over, pet some bees, see how they work. They're fuzzy. It's a long drive. And Minnesota has no hands law, so it's recording the whole way. Woo! Holy moly. I have 2 nucs in the back. A lot of bees in here. Let's put it this way. I have the temp at 65 in here. I'm trying to keep it cold. Put a big blanket over it so they stay in the back. I don't want them getting out and stinging me. Pull over and have to run around. Oh, it'd be like that movie, Killer Bees, Killer Bees. Get me out of a ticket, I guess, if I'm speeding. I am excited. I cannot wait. This was really cool to go there and see all of them. 20,000 bees in the back seat. I never would have thought of. As long as I don't get stung on the way home. If they all stay in, I'm all right. It's nerve-wracking. I've never looked in my rear view mirror this many times in my life, making sure that they're all in there and they don't come out. So we have a cold snap coming up, which is a bummer because our lilac bushes just popped, and I think this frost the next 3 days is really gonna hurt them. So the bees will be fine. I'm just gonna have to feed them heavy, which I expected that anyways, so that's no big deal. But all the flowers and trees that were blooming, this is gonna hurt it. I wonder what it's gonna do. People are on motorcycles and it's only 45 degrees out. No way. He said it should be 20 pounds at least. It's that.
You nervous?
No. That was super easy. Yeah. You don't realize how heavy they are. It's crazy how heavy they are. In that little box. Do I look like a marshmallow?
Yeah. What's that? Jet puff jet puff fan, whatever it's called. Top of your hat. Even kind of smells like
My first instinct is to swat them. How does that feel, you guys? You almost landed in raccoon poop. I hope that was funny. Because I look like a marshmallow, I'm sure. But U-boat landed in raccoon poop. So that would have been funny. My wife would have had to clean you off though. Alright, so that's 2 nucs. They're in. Ready to go. Super easy. A lot easier than I thought it would be. But I think it's because it's cold out too. We got the bees put in. Worked good. There was 2 nucs, and when I got there, they had just got off the truck a couple hours before from Texas, so that was nice. And it's cool out today, so the high was 49, so it was actually perfect because the bees weren't all flying. They were all in the box, so it worked out. So what I did is I put them in there, and they all were calm. I didn't even need to smoke them. I did a little bit, and then I realized I didn't even care. So I did light the smoker. There's one thing. So if you have a smoker and it's really hard to light, one thing I did learn from him, he said push these tabs down like that, and when you set it in there, it holds it off the ground, so you get a smoke like instant, and it actually worked really well. So very happy, very pleased. I could have seriously done that without the suit. None of them even tried to sting me. They didn't care. They're so calm. And these are the Cornelias. So super happy. But we also have one more. We bought 3. So we have one more, but that one's not going to come for a couple weeks yet. So super excited. Hope you guys like this content. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit that little red button. And follow us on our journey of bees in the greenhouse and our life, I guess. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.